What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and my name is Solomon. For those of you that are new to the channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share. If you have any questions, you know what to do, obviously, in the comment section down below. Today feels good to be outside. Like, feels really good to be outside. I just hope I don't get any distraction right now. Like, the sun has been out all day, but it's actually wonderful, and now it's kind of seeming like it's going to rain, but like, I just hope it doesn't rain so that it doesn't spoil my video. Anyways, guys, today we are going to be looking at a house which is actually abandoned, kind of. But the thing is, I just want to like get your opinion on like what you guys would do if you actually like did own the house. That's like the point. Like, what you guys do if you're like able to like get the house? Would you demolish the house? Would you just fix some parts of that? Like, what exactly would you guys do? And the other day I actually saw this house. Like, I actually saw the firefighters actually like at the house. So I'm not sure if the house got burned, but like, it didn't burn down, but like they were called to like come to the house for whatever reason. I really do not know. But actually, let's just take a look at the house and see the house. Like, this house is so sketchy, but like, I just have to show you guys actually. So let's look at it once and for all. So let's see this. So this is the house right here. What would you guys do? Like, that's the question right now. What would you guys actually do? Because left to me, I would say I'll demolish the whole house. Why? Because of, I feel this house has some like foundation issues and it's closed up right now. Like, I would definitely not get inside this house. Like, I cannot get inside the house. It's so sketchy. Like, see the grass. Like, this is just, I don't know. And then again, you see like the roof, the walls. So if it's like you as an investor, what exactly would you do to the house? Like, would you only change like the walls, paint the walls, or would you like, I don't know, change the glasses, or would you like just rip out the whole thing? Like, just see this door. This is an entrance. It's blocked out, right? It's blocked out. So what would you do? And funny enough, if it's left to me, right, as I've said, I'll demolish the house. And what will I do? I'll actually expand the house. Why would I expand it? Because of the space. This house actually has space. Now, from here, this is where like the owner actually built the house to. And if you look back down here, there is actually like a fence right here. So they have like this whole space for the backyard. And for you to have such a space for a backyard, that means you can actually like extend the house a little bit more after like you've demolished the house. There's like potential in this house, but would you be down and would you be willing to like put in the work in this house? Like, this house needs a lot of work. Like, I can't even go to the back. Like, it's so sketchy. It's, oh my days. Like, I feel like the people that were actually living here, probably they may have like started like the house, but they didn't like finish the house up. So wow, I'm just like confused. And the grasses need to be cut. So like, obviously I'll cut the grasses out. Definitely, like, get the grasses out. But like, it's not like I can just fix it, like just fix something tiny or something little on the house. It's not possible. Making on my video, just see the house from here. This is wild, man. I'm like, what would I do? Now, this house is not for sale, but if you want to actually sell, you can actually like do like a form of wholesaling on this house. So it's like you try and find who owns the house, like who initially bought the house, like whose name is on the house last, and then you try and like see if you can meet them to like actually sell the house to you. If they can sell the house to you, boy, you're good. Now, for wholesaling, what you can do is, once you've gotten someone to sign a contract that you would buy the house from them at this amount, what you can then do is find an investor who is actually willing to put the work in this house. Like, who is willing to put the work in this house. And if you find someone who is actually willing to put the work in this house, you might actually like sell the house for a higher price to that person. Now that's how wholesaling works. That's like one of the main reasons why I actually came here to like bring this video to you guys. But what would you guys do to this house? This house looks unsavable. Like you cannot just like fix one part, like fix like the wall, or fix like the roof, or fix like I really don't like you cannot fix just one part of the house or just the glasses. I cannot even enter I can't go inside the house because I'm scared. I really don't know how the inside would actually look like. Like what would be inside the house? What would be going on inside the house? Who is inside the house? What's inside the house? How bad is inside the house? Oh, this is like so much things going on in my head right now. The funny thing is this house has potentials. Like when I say potential, I mean like potentials. Take for example this back, right? You can actually build a pool. It might not be that big, but like you can build a pool at this back. If you fence out this place because of it's close to the road here, so you fence out this place and then you try and find like a fence also like for that other side, like this other side, and you put your pool right there. Also another thing you would actually have to do is get this tree off the way. This one, like this big humongous tree, like this tree is so big. I'm like, how did it even get it in the first place? Who allowed it to even grow here in the first place? Damn. And then the glass, the chimney, like it seems like this house has like a fireplace in there because of what I'm seeing at the top. So it looks like it has a fireplace. Also it has a porch, but the surrounding of the house is what? Oh, boy, you're making noise in my video, fam. Back to what I'm saying. Now the surrounding of the house is big, like the space is big, so you can actually do like enough. This house, I would say probably it's let me see, I would say based on one or two things, you can get like 3 to 4 bedrooms in this house. So like 3 to 4 bedrooms. We don't even know if this house has a why was she looking at me? Anyways, we don't even know if this house has a basement. But if this house has a basement, you can actually get like a room or 2 down there. So like in total you can like actually get, let's say, 5 bedrooms in this house. So if you're down to like actually fix the house so we can get like 5 bedrooms in the house, and if you're renting it out, boy, that's some money for your pocket. You get me? Yeah. If someone comes out of this house like right now, like comes out from any of those doors, because I think this house has like 3 doors. If anyone comes out of those doors, bro, I'm busting out. Like I am busting out of the house. Like bro, I was fast back in the days when I used to run. Oh my days. Ask those people who know me. Ask them. They will tell you my story. Like I was fast, fam. If I run now, boy, I just hung my boots like I think 6-7 years ago. I was like, you know what, just let me leave racing to them small children. You get me? Yeah. Anyways, back to the house. If anyone comes out of this place right now, I'm busting out of here like real quick, because this is so sketchy. I'm trying to see what is actually like at this back. If you see that, like that's like some balcony chairs right there, some like chairs you can just like chill. If some things may be salvageable in this house, but I'm not like sure what could be salvageable. Yeah, like what can you salvage in this house, guys? I'm just glad I'm actually able to like show you guys this house today. If you, as an investor, if you are interested in this house, if you would like to know where the house is, and then you can now like do your own work on the house, you can now like get the owner's information and then try and see if you can wholesale the house. If you want the information of the house, just let me know. Just hit me up and I'll give you the information. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. Thank you very much for staying tuned, and I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. Please do not forget to subscribe. Actually, smash that like button also, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. As always, guys, stay safe.